If you want to get video editing quickly done, then you can use Adobe Premiere Rush, which is a part of Adobe Creative Cloud and is available in mobile phone and tablet devices as well. So if I were to go around over here and open up Adobe Premiere Rush right here, then Adobe Premiere Rush starts up. And once it starts up, you can see this over here. And now, in order to get started with working inside of Adobe Premiere Rush, you can go around and click on Create a New Project right here. And once you do that, what you can do is you can go around and then select out the video files that you want to work with. So I'm just going to go around onto my L drive right here where I have some video clips. I'm just going to go around onto the videos folder. And over here, you can see that I got some videos, and you can go around and select out the videos in order. So all you need to do is just click in order, and then everything is arranged out in order, as you can see right here. So once everything is done, you can simply click on create right here, and then based on that order, a project will be created. So it is preparing the media, as you can see right here. It is analyzing out the medias that we just selected, and it is preparing out a workspace for us so that we can actually work around with these clips right here. So it is working out just like this. And over here, now you can see that everything has been arranged out in a timeline right here, just like this. And in this tutorial series, we're going to see how we can work around with various tools and then utilize various techniques to edit videos inside of Premiere Rush.